The crypto market and the stock market are dumping. Everything is dumping. What is next for Bitcoin? 75k? 65k? Are you thinking of selling everything and returning to your boring 9 to 5 job? Or maybe thinking of asking your granny to give you money to fix the car and dump it all into the new Kanye coin? You might also be considering to dump your girlfriend or wife and kids so you can lower your expenses and buy some shitcoin that will 10x or even 100x your portfolio so that you can finally afford your dream life? Please don't do that. I also beg you not to lose money on some new shady meme coin. It's Stan here, and in today's daily drops, I will drop some quick crypto news on you while you're losing money on your trades. But before we get started, hit the like and subscribe buttons, yeah? Okay, let's go through today's headlines. Starting with CZ. Thanks CZ, I really saved your post when you told us back in 2020 that Bitcoin would one day crash from 101k to 85k, but you forgot to mention when. So, I still managed to lose money. Now, while Bitcoin is down a bit, Ethereum, the second largest crypto, could be heading for its worst February ever, with prices already down 23% this month. Historically, February has been bullish for Ethereum with only one red month in 2018. That is 7 years since then. Speaking of Vitalik's darling, the Ethereum Pectra fork test failed on the Holesky testnet. One of the tested key changes, EIP 6110, will shift the responsibilities of deposit detection from the consensus layer to the execution layer. Another smaller upgrade is the EIP 7702, a modification that aims to improve the user experience of crypto wallets. Why we need to pay attention on this is because the update will raise the current stake amount from 32 to as much as 2028 ethers. In theory, Pectra should have been the largest update in the entire history of Ethereum, but it was later decided to split the original package into two because it was considered too ambitious. I hope they manage to fix all the problems soon on the testnet so we can start talking about that exact date of the fork. The Ethereum Foundation tries to implement not only changes on the mainnet, but they're doing so also in their organizational structure. Aya Miyaguchi, the current executive director, announced in a Tuesday blog post that she will move to the role of president for the foundation. Ethereum's co-founder Vitalik Buterin also posted on X expressing his recognition of her contribution to the EF and congratulating her on the new position. Next one, GameStop CEO Ryan Cohen on Tuesday confirmed that he has received a letter from Matt Cole, CEO of Strive Asset Management, in which Cole proposed to the company to use its cash reserves to invest in Bitcoin. I remind you that the video game retailer held approximately $4.6 billion in cash piles at the end of last year, according to a December SEC disclosure. Cole sent the letter to Cohen a couple of days ago, stating that GameStop has a unique opportunity to transform itself by becoming the premier Bitcoin treasury company in the gaming industry. Speaking of the gaming industry also, and as it is moving into Web3 now, have you checked my latest review of Play Solana here on the airdrops.com channel? If you haven't, then you're missing out, because they're doing something ambitious, and after you've watched it, you know what to do with the like button, yeah? Anyways, back to the GameStop. I hope they will become the next strategy, because with the community that they have, they can definitely send their stock price back to the previous all-time high, and even beyond. Are you still holding some Polkadot from back in 2021? Or have you exchanged it for some degenerate meme coins with more game potential? You might as well start buying it up again, because Grayscale files for spot Polkadot fund as the altcoin ETF race heats up. The Nasdaq stock market, on behalf of Grayscale, has now filed a proposal with the SEC to list and trade shares of the Grayscale Polkadot Trust. The fund's assets consist solely of DOT tokens, the native token of the Polkadot network. Just to let you know, Grayscale owns a shit ton of DOT tokens. So, does this remind you of the time when Ethereum ETFs were launched and Grayscale dumped their Ethereum holdings on the market? Anyway, in terms of the broader ETF scene, the SEC previously acknowledged Spot XRP ETF and Litecoin ETF filings in recent weeks. And some Bloomberg analysts recently estimated that Litecoin ETFs have the highest chance of approval, 90%, among the wave of spot crypto ETFs. It is followed by products on Dogecoin 75%, Solana 70%, and XRP 65%. Alright folks, I'm Stan and these were the daily drops this Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed them, but don't take any financial advice from here. I may be buying every dip, yes, but then again, I've been wrong many times, not only in crypto, but in life too. Shout out to my exes. And now, finally, please select the bikes in the picture to validate that you're human and you're allowed to buy some Kanye meme coins. CZ, please make crypto great again, because Kanye follows only you on his X account. Brief that gentleman on crypto and possibly on some common sense too, would ya? Alright, over and out.